At the edge of the forest, near the mountains, animals began hearing strange echoes that seemed to come from nowhere. The noises were loud, booming, and unnatural, making even the bravest creatures nervous. Some animals believed it was a giant beast hiding in the mountains, while others thought it was the wind playing tricks. Determined to solve the mystery, a young fox named Felix ventured into the mountains. He followed the echoes until he found a large, hollow cave hidden in the rock. Inside the cave, the wind rushed through small tunnels, amplifying its sound and creating the eerie echoes the animals had heard. Felix shared the discovery, and the animals were relieved to know there was no monster, just nature's voice, amplified in the mountain's cave. Subscribe and like for more.